Everyone, just ordered yourself a new set of the Metalcloak aluminum surround tail light housings with LED lights. Do yourselves a favor. If you check their reviews, I see a lot of people talking about tearing out one of these tiny little bolt holes or breaking a bolt off in one, and the screws are tiny, so it's not going to take much. What I discovered with mine, I checked all the threads in the housing itself, and all the threads were perfectly fine. Screws went in with no problem. However, when I went to mount it, after I mounted it on the driver's side and went to wire and went to screw in the side markers, what I discovered was the holes. You can see that one is lined up really well. So we'll go to the other side here, and you can see maybe that hole is offset and does not go straight through. So what I've ended up having to do on these, and I'd recommend you do as well if you have a set of these before you install them, is get yourself a Dremel tool and elongate that hole from the back side of these a hair so it will actually seat in the threads. And once you can get a straight shot on getting the screws in, mine work just fine. But before you snap one off, just get your Dremel and go from the inside, go a little to the inside on each end. That'll give you enough extra room in there. You can get those screws to line up and screw down tight. Do that and you'll save yourselves a lot of headache. I'll probably also include this little tidbit in the full video for installing these metal surrounds with LED lights. But just doing a little supplemental here for anybody that's got a set and just wanted to see if they can't get the screws to line up, what's going on. And again, it's just a matter of whoever's manufacturing their lamps for them, or whoever they're picking them up from, they do not line up with my kit. So instead of getting frustrated and breaking off one of those little screws, I just grabbed the Dremel, took out that little hair of plastic, and they went on perfectly. So thanks for watching. Reach down there, hit that like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.